Hi guys, I was riding the RoadRunner Pro V2 and then we came upon a small hill. There's at least 40 degrees in angle. We thought we stopped by to do a hill climb test. So we've been out riding the RoadRunner Pro V2 for like an hour or so. We travel about 25 kilometers from our place to here. I'm now at gear 4, VoroMotors. See how it can hold up with all the small hill climb. We came to check out this spot, which is quite fun. Let me go to a bit more gradient ground. Let's be fair and do a hill climb test with VoroMotors gear 5. Let's go! Easily. Conquered easily. Let's do this one more time. I'll be using gear 3 VoroMotors. Let's go! Climb the hill with no problems at all. So our photographer told me to do more difficult position to go up the hill.